return. The return function is going to return the template and pass in the data. All right, so we have just created the that's the home function for our landing page. Okay, what we should note is the index HTML file has not been created. This has to be created in the home because this has been located in home, which means it is found in the home app, and the name of the file, the HTML file, is index.html. So I go here, I create a new folder called templates. Inside templates, I create another folder, and the folder should be the name of the app. The name of the app we have there is home. Inside home, I'm creating a file name index.html. Okay, so let's try to run the Django app to see if there is any problem, if everything is working correctly. Okay, let's run it out. Directory indexes are not allowed here. What should be the problem? I think the problem should be in the home URL. That's a urs.py file should have a problem. So let's get in there to resolve the problem. This is the problem. This space has to be empty. There should be nothing in here because it is acting as a landing page to the web app home. The web app home is a landing page whenever whenever a visitor or a user wants to have access to the website. This URL is acting as a landing page. This is the first thing that will be viewed, that the user will view to. Right? So there should be nothing in this space. It has to be empty. All right? Same thing when we go to the main, there's the main urs.py file here, which is found in the project name example. You see, it is empty. There should be nothing inside here, nothing. And here in the home app, it should be empty because this URL or this path is acting as a landing path to the website. It should run without any problem. You see, this is a template. The reason why you see nothing here is because nothing has been written inside the template. There is nothing, no code has been written inside. Okay, so at this point we shall start working on the designing of the template. Remember that we can do the designing on the template using CSS, and we increase the interaction using JavaScript.